Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Lindy here. This is a quick follow-up video on a kid we did about a year and 3 weeks ago. And here he is before. He's got an almost infinite amount of donor hair.
Yeah.
And he's got pretty good hair up here, but it's just starting to go away, and he's got really white skin and really black hair. When he gets a little bit of gray,
it'll blend in a little, yeah.
But he didn't want to wait on that, and so we did a frontal U on him, where we just packed this whole central area. And we also fixed it, he had a little scar on his mustache. So here's the picture of his mustache. Okay. And then I've got a little video clip of him at 8 months. We'll put that in right here. All right, Jeffrey, we just finished this, and then you started saying something I want you to tell the audience. Say what you said before.
So when I had this procedure done, you had mentioned, this was done in August, that by December, I would look like I had already originally came in. Mm-hmm. And just like you said, around December, I used a little bit of Topic, but I was almost completely back to this. And now we're in middle of March. Yep. And I see myself improved since then. So you were right on the dot. And then he rolled in last week, and I forgot that we had...
It was exactly a year ago.
I forgot that we had permission to use his face. So in this video, this is at a year and...
All right, so it's been a year since we did a frontal U on you, and that is maybe the world's best hair to work with. It's this thick stuff. And yeah, I thought you looked good at 6 months. But this is a marked difference. Bend down just a little bit. Sure. And your only curse is that with hair this black, and even though you're Latino, your skin's pretty white. Yeah. And so if I were betting, and I haven't even asked you yet, you're going to be wanting something in there at some point. Yeah. And it's not time yet. Man, that is awesome. And I remember you told me last time your mother tried to talk you out of it, and then now she thinks it's a good idea.
Oh, yeah.
What a mop of hair he's got.
He looks good.
And as Wendy and I predicted before he got here, he said, "Do you think it's time to do another one?" And I said, "No, don't do another one."
I know. Even you look at him, he looks great. He really looks great. But there's some guys that like their hair.
Yeah. So to summarize, this kid looks awesome.
He does.
We were able to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, get that mustache scar improved, deal with his whole frontal third with the exception of his tuft, and buy him some time until either he needs another one or he starts getting a little gray hair. And so hopefully we'll see him back. I know he's moving out to California. I told him don't let somebody tell him they can sprinkle a little hair all over his head. Just wait until he needs it.
Yeah, because he always says, when I go like this, I can see my scalp.
And when he just gets out of the shower and it's wet and the sunlight's shining on it.
Well, when I go like this, you can see my scalp. But it looks great. Yeah. It's a good result.
Yeah. So if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.